वेलकम टू वेस्ट क्विक टिप्स एंड ट्रिक यूट्यूब कुकिंग चॅनल. सगळ्यांना तुमकां येवकार दिता म्हज्या कुकिंग चॅनलाचेर. एंड टुडे आय एम गोइंग टू शो यू white chutney. So I'm taken like 2 teaspoon or 1 tablespoon of coconut, grated coconut, 2 tablespoon of peanuts. Then this is the pulp of tamarind. So I will be adding only this much, remaining I'll keep. Half teaspoon of cumin seeds and 1/4 teaspoon of mustard seeds. We'll grind this to a fine paste with water. Add half chili into this, half chili. Add water and we'll grind this. Add some coconut oil to give tadka for a chutney. So in this tadka is of only curry leaves and a hing. And then enjoy this chutney. Add salt, little bit, and just enjoy. Put off the gas and add salt to taste. Aroma is awesome. So we'll add some salt to taste. Salt. And it's done to serve. Try this peanut coconut chutney. Garnish some coriander leaves on this and enjoy. Thank you so much.